Personal injury attorneys are actually lifesavers for millions of Americans. They offer people who have experienced loss, accidents, or injuries the option to start over after adversity. It can be difficult to locate well-known personal injury lawyers in the U.S. Famous attorneys charge more than the regular individual can afford and are frequently preoccupied with other cases. So it seems like a good change of pace to watch about them. It is the job of personal injury attorneys to negotiate a fair payment with the party that caused your injuries. For instance, you might suffer harm as a result of a car accident or a violent attempt on your life. Whatever the situation, you can always rely on a personal injury attorney to help you prevail in court and secure the compensation you deserve for your injuries and any resulting insurance claims. Finding the greatest in the West, though, is a difficult effort. So in this video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 personal injury attorneys practicing law in the U.S. who have distinguished themselves from the competition. Start with number 5, James Syme. Law firm: Green, Syme and Cambria. Specialization: high-stakes litigation, medical malpractice litigation, personal injury litigation, wrongful death attorney. One of Buffalo's most accomplished and well-known personal injury attorneys is James Syme. His trial negotiating abilities, which have earned him numerous triumphs with a tight shave, are praised by his peers. As a result, he has been chosen to represent numerous other well-known lawyers in court. His contacts in the field of advocacy are well recognized among other lawyers in New York, as a professional activities member of the American Board of Trial Advocacy and the Association of Trial Lawyers of America. Number 4, Irvin Cantor Law Firm. Cantor, Stoneburner, Ford, Grana, and Buckner. Specialization: high-stakes litigation, medical malpractice litigation, personal injury litigation, product liability litigation. Irvin Cantor is held in high respect by fellow attorneys and bar associations from Richmond to Virginia. One of the most well-known personal injury attorneys in the U.S. due to his courtroom prowess and ability to win even the most contested cases. Cantor has nearly 35 years of experience representing clients who have suffered traumatic brain injuries in car accident claims. In his book, The Art and Science of Mastering the Jury Trial, he discusses his area of expertise. After he was featured on the covers of West Virginia and Virginia's Super Lawyers, his fame was made public. Number 3, Carroll Fort Law Firm. Bloom, Fort, Fried, Zers, and Molinari. Their specialization: high-stakes litigation, medical malpractice litigation, personal injury litigation, and wrongful death litigation. One of the most well-known personal injury lawyers from New Jersey is Carroll Fort, who was named a stellar lawyer for 10 straight years between 2005 and 2016 in the state. She is regarded as one of the top lawyers in the nation by many older attorneys and even many of her younger students. She was admitted into the American College of Trial Lawyers in 2008 as a result of her accomplishments. After graduating from the Seton Hall University School of Law, she has taken on a number of well-known personal injury cases. She also manages the hiring and firing of personal injury law and is a member of the Supreme Court Board on Attorney Certification. Number 2, Brame Panish Law Firm. Panish, Shea, and Boyle. Specialization are high-stakes, personal injury litigation, and wrongful death litigation. With a $5 billion compensation claim in the historic case Anderson v. General Motors, Brian Panish earned a place in the directories of some of the top personal injury attorneys in the U.S. He is a part of the inner circle of advocates, as well as Panish, Shea, and Boyle. Panish is a well-known attorney who hails from Los Angeles, California. His state record includes more than 3 verdicts in which personal injury claims totaling more than $50 million were resolved. He was appointed to the plaintiff's steering and executive committee thanks to his notoriety. Number 1, Ben Rubinowitz Law Firm. Gare, Conason, Rubinowitz, Bloom, Hirschenhorn, Steitman, and Makoff. And their specialization: high-stakes litigation, medical malpractice litigation, personal injury, and wrongful death litigation. Because of his outstanding courtroom presentation, Ben Rabinowitz is one of the United States' most well-known personal injury attorneys. He began his career as an attorney before joining in 1989 and has been in this line of work for more than 30 years. He has been included in numerous Best Lawyers of New York lists by New York magazines due to his experience and effectiveness as a personal injury lawyer in the courts, a position in the Inner Circle of Advocates, a group of the best senior lawyers in the U.S., has also been made available to him due to his fame. Being among the most well-known personal injury attorneys in the U.S. is an accomplishment to be proud of. Before they rose to the top and made it to this list, every lawyer on it had a long career under their belt. When someone was hurt due to someone else's negligence, these attorneys had assisted several families in getting what they were due. How did you like the 5 Best American Personal Injury Lawyers informational video? You must inform us of your opinion so that we can continue to bring you such useful, informative videos in the future.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.